Yeah, buy eggnog. Long time I don't drink eggnog, you know, girl. So this is what happens with planning, packing, repacking, changing up. I live where you vacate, baby. Robert, I'm making a video. Stop it, nice. Puss, stop rubber on my foot. Watch him. I have no puss now, no dog, a Japan, you know. Watch your puss. All them something I'm never ever foreign. No puss, no dog. See one next puss there? I don't know why I come at my yard. It's not easy. Think it's all about money. Yeah, life is not all about money, but money make the mirror run, as my mother would have said. So everybody were concerned about me. I'm begging them some money. Get send some donation. Yeah. Just reach out to me and give them my account and send me some money. Hey, Jamaica expensive, you know. Heck expensive. Jamaica heck expensive. You Jamaica, you expensive, bad. Whew, it's hot. Wait, me never bring the bag. Never bring the bag. Me never bring the bag. Uh-oh. It looks so half starving. Tiny. The summer is up. So for all the people asking where me is, look around and guess and tell me. Only we used to love that swing song and say, we can't do things I used to do. Only cool. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but I see it. Why? Say, people them say, why are you going back to Jamaica? Why you go back? Look, oh, you're a peaceful country and you're really taking up yourself going back to Jamaica. People them say, they're not good. Feel unsure about the Akia. If you don't see me, you know what's popping to get poison. Then tiny. Good, then waiting on their own. People them say, why you go back to Jamaica? You're not easy. So I say, but there, and then my family there, and then we did leave them. Say, no, girl, don't go back. You're there, peaceful Australia, peaceful Japan. Why want to do the monkey climb. I feel my youth in fullness. I don't dip me. Put on go back at Japan. I said, "Me come in my yard." Awa. What? Need to put back the sauce on them. From this metal. Then rubber. Put them back. Let them acclimate. Jamaica so dear. Expensive and dear. Can't manage. Woo! As a gun shop with the money done. I'm for this. And I'm coming to Jamaica so I'll do the breathe up there and I put on one mattress and sleep and you're so cool enough. Now talk it true, this can cook. You see them bigger than this. You good? I make a bag of nice now, Kiara coming. Stubborn. Baby, they're stubborn too. I forgot to pray for that baby there. Well, baby stubborn. The baby don't want to come out. It's gone long. Good proper banana then here. See them banana here? Them banana here no carbine. Them banana here washer. So easy come after something. Nice banana. Sweet. Why you come back at Jamaica? Jamaican people stay so. Jamaican choose big hot dog. Sachets. Use flash. Jamaican people tan bad foreign. Them even worse. Come here. I think the Jamaican people nice foreign. Remember me tell you. Think they're nice foreign. corrupt same way. Maybe they're more disciplined because they have to abide by rules. Jamaicans in discipline, mighty God, they never even drive. Mighty God, they drive body. All I overtake one corner and sitting. All I'm gonna be miss it. Come like a race course. Don't judge me, I'm hungry. Too hot dog. And I couldn't bother do cheese and sitting good and decent. Cheese and melts. That's all we need. Couldn't bother do no neat and fine. Alright, I'm trying to stop. Okay, ready now. Yes. My mental health, very important. Yeah. Peace of mind and them something. Who are playing music? Everywhere you go in Jamaica, them nice. If you go to office, them are playing music. If you go on the bus, somebody are go play music. Them are go one doctor's office. And people up on TikTok, this, that. Maybe tell one little guy, say, look, it hurt me. Turn it down. Not like it. Anyways, what I say is, people are Canada bars, say Canada expensive and it's not what it is. People are America, say it's the ghetto. People there Jamaica. People there Jamaica gonna have to do what makes you happy. So and then people them gonna say, don't go there, so don't come here, so them nah move. So why are you still dead here? Whoa, fuck you are that. Some big yard there, Jamaican, someone there, Jamaica. Yeah, why not still dead here? You have to do what makes you happy, darling. I like when you go on vacation, okay? And don't be hating.
of I hope we never make it. But that traffic in night home. Oh my God. Sorry to keep you waiting so long.
No, but that's alright. Hello, Mr. Today I have a really nice video for you guys. You know, I'm Irie Sensei, the creator of the Irie book collections and Jamaican Patwah for beginners. Today I will be having two special guests who will be teaching you some Patwah words, phrases, terms, expressions, whatever you call it, and you're gonna be so surprised. Just wait for it. Look who they here, look who they here. Watch Sarah around it. Oh, you afraid I camera, so Sarah. Jamaican experience. Blah 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 blah. Yes. And my son said it's not a prank. Watch the live and living colors. Yes. I will harmony party. Yes. Oh, what's so nice?
I don't think that possibly
One out
can
smell nice. It does smell like something mommy weird. Mommy? Anyways.
They start in the video and so on, no?
No,
I don't want to be online, you don't know.
No, Chrissy teach me some German. So when they come visit, you know, probably you can. I wonder if we stay so far, you can.
Probably go home over the scene already.
Yeah, alright, we're gonna find somewhere to go.
Some nice view.
Okay. But Harmony Park is very big and nice and beautiful, so we have a whole heap of options. We didn't want to go over the sea. So they over the sea.
People them another way.
No, people there.
On the slide thing?
We didn't want, yeah, we didn't want to over the slide. But
I feel a little breeze.
yes, the sun gone down.
That's nice. It was such a hectic day.
Mm-hmm.
We wanted one place, moving in back to the other place.
Debbie, finally me like your earring. Out here you buy it?
I don't know.
It looks like something.
Let me style a parcel for you.
You know them local artists? It's nice.
I love them too. Man. You know the slippers them, you put you on them? Not there anymore.
Uh-oh.
Going gone after 10 years. You know them?
You know them. But them supposed to have more other people who sell them.
Couldn't show them anymore.
Oh no.
I shelled it.
Alright, if anything, we can send it to you. Then they're offer three more. Spread out.
Really? Yeah. Where is this store? It's so lovely. I try one pair of Germany like what the one but me also weird thing. But them kind of get really shabby looking, you know, to me weird material, you know.
And then last long.
Yeah. And we still have them. It's not like we can dash them away.
Going from time and see how to learn how to work together.
It's in front of the camera, girl, you know.
And I better tell me if I'm not the way.
Why me I tell you? I know we can't believe say me to me in a person.
It's real. This is all that back in front them.
So as long as it comes.
Yeah, even if the people in that state. Tomorrow we gotta leave.
So they're leaving tomorrow on the field.
Sad.
You like me want to stay. You can go and we take a plane.
Alright. So we are kind of KFC, we don't know.
I think so, yeah. I think that's left my cars a while ago. I have to go.
Martin.
Today was supposed to be a half-day shopping day, you know.
So I'm not going to
As long as we can find a machine, also we can do shopping before you go off. Like. Yeah, that would also work.
Tomorrow.
And you give me
tomorrow.
Boy.
I'm shopping tomorrow. Tomorrow? I have nothing planned.
No, sir, today the shopping day, man.
Today shopping day?
Could I make that as free video?
Alright, we're going to do that as video. So what we do now? We're going to sit down, we can chat, whatever.
Another bench for you to sit in last time we come here.
Yes, that was it, but now we're crowded.
Can do some activity, something.
Yes, so you have to teach me German.
Find a spot. I'm dying still.
Some nice breeze there here. So. Not really. Maybe down on the beach right here.
The beach have the wind, you know? Are you fun with it?
I don't know. Did I try him? And now I'm gonna invite Jamaican experience to come and teach you some Patwah. Alright, I'm going up on the stage. This is Jamaican experience. My God, I'm glad to meet them here. Alright. So you're looking and you're saying, oh, them are gonna teach you no Patwah, don't it?
Yeah.
But never mind. Say anything you know I say in Patwah. Or like greeting and them something there.
So guys, when you're saying hello, you say,
You put my shirt.
when we start the lesson before time. So guys, for hello, we say, hello.
Hello. Hello, wie geht's?
A Patwah.
What kind of language we there, Pan?
Patwah, we are
Patwah.
chat.
Yeah, man, what?
Alright, we're going to have a conversation. So, we're going to have a conversation in Patwah, right? Them just teach me German, and if you want to see that lesson, is very, very funny and interesting. Run over to Jamaican Experience. I'm going to link the channel down below. So for that lesson, you need to go and check them out. Remember to like, share, subscribe to their channel. And so now we're going to talk a little bit in a Patwah. Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Not much
Wanna-
Agua.
wanna
Also, we
good?
have left tomorrow. We're so sad. Late night evening. Also, we have to catch a plane to go back to Germany.
Now go home tomorrow. Chrissy, how you feel about that?
Feel like more and stay.
Neither. You know, so we have some colleagues also, them did say Germany, so Gabi, you never go come back.
It's very tempting, that thought.
Yeah, it is.
Patwah, you have to talk, my girl.
Very tempting. Very tempting.
All of you either bush when they look for you. I say, where Chrissy they forgot
Yeah, because I
airport?
miss a plane and just I say, plane left way.
Not true.
True, what a nice excuse.
So what go on?
just
What
send down my
not go on with to since you come? How long has you guys been here?
So we're there since the 6th of August. Been living our
4
best
weeks.
life.
And look where spot with depth on beach side. Watch that. Look on the view, man. And the sun soon set and sitting,
Bay,
you know.
my home base.
Yeah, man.
I'm a Montego Bay girl.
Okay, so what want to do since you come?
Well, what we do, mommy? First few days was in Montego Bay.
Yeah.
First official morning was here, no?
Yeah.
Came to
Yeah.
Harmony Park.
The first morning we spent here. I think so too. The second we did something too in Montego Bay, and then we somewhere went on the east coast,
Yeah, went to Portland.
Portland. Yeah.
What wanna eat?
Boston.
Hey.
Jerk, chicken,
Our first
jerk
breakfast
pork,
was
Woodland
Kalaloo.
Yard
That was nice.
Festival. It was delicious. And we went to Frenchman's Cove.
Curry chicken back, guys.
Alright. With dumpling? No, sir.
Well, the curry chicken back, there was... Oh, we make it with rice.
Curry chicken back and
We
rice.
made that on the riverside, guys.
You know, go on with things. Oh, you did that on the riverside when yesterday. Wanna
That
cook
was the
was
beach
on the
side.
beach.
right?
up on the beach? So right there, we walla. So I'm gonna go cook pan riverside and cook pan beach side.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
saw now
She
go on.
want to do that all along, and
Yeah.
really did look like it never go work out also. So yesterday, pan coincidence and all also it just work out.
Yeah.
Yeah, funny enough.
Some guy pan the property also and say him go help you out. He know the fisherman and you know
Yeah,
where you going.
you know Jamaicans still.
Yeah.
Yeah, they make things happen for real.
And they really
That
make
was
it
nice.
special, like, you know, it was so
nice.
nice. And they're not looking money or anything.
That's
Yeah.
You know, you
nice.
have some people who just
Yes.
want money and they were different.
They just have a
Just
vibe, they just have a
genuine
vibe.
Mm-hmm.
So that video they on the channel.
Yes, it's
So guys, you don't need to go check out that video when them cook on the riverside and the beach side, you know, them
Yes.
bikini and bare tits. Look how the man them look nice. Jamaican experience. What's your what is that?
Jamaican.
Jamaican experience. And the name
Yeah,
comes
the
about
German
because
German and Jamaican.
mix.
Yeah, we're
One big
mixed.
Irie family, you know. Yeah. Alright, so tell me more about the eating part now. So no cook pan river, no cook pan beach, no go KFC yet.
Of course.
Yeah.
You must.
Yes, that,
First week.
I think it was day.
No, it was the third day when we go dead end, we go
So long it
KFC,
take us.
and we got barbecue zinger.
But the first thing was like a party also. We go to this party place close
Yes.
to the car park where we also get taxis
So no,
to go
I
a little
fit eat
like, and so yeah, and the line was so long and I was like,
Patty was the first thing.
The line always long to get patty and KFC.
I tell you.
I get so hungry.
But it's worth it, so do it.
Yes. If you're in
Definitely.
Jamaica, you have to try patty. Most definitely.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. I eat that.
Bread
Yeah,
and
English
cheese.
again.
And, you know, I normally not get no color loaf. I don't know. Every time I ask also then,
The color loaf. But today I want to try jerk pizza.
Yes,
yes,
though.
that was
It was
nice.
well
though.
festive, thanks to Kadia.
Whoa, thing
Take care
up.
of us.
She bought soup and the pizza.
Look at this. This is beautiful. The day when them not bring them bath suit.
You don't tell me, girl. We not you know, we don't meet you, know?
That mercy. I never have no idea either when I look into it and I
Just
say,
to make me be smart.
probably it's our best.
Yeah, and because-
When you hear that, guys? Yeah, man. Straight Patwah and pretend we are pretend. So, if you want to learn more still how to speak Patwah, check out Jamaican Patwah for Beginners by Kid and Gentles. Pick up on yourself. We're going to go shopping now. They have to do some last minute shopping. And you don't know the things set up already.
Yeah.
So we're going to do that before the time get too late. Look on the sun, man. Oh, wow.
you get a nice sunset.
But we don't still have to do half of the German by your channel, because we don't say that over here.
Oh, alright. You're not going to teach me some German on that channel here.
And that,
Come remember.
Watch ya. Security, I come. Me like
just reach a Blossom's place like also we just pack out everything, put things in the fridge and so and then we're ready again to move out. So we not really
I
plan.
understand, you know, really concrete. But we at least wet we foot them. We can't come and see this a nice water here and at least wet we foot. Alright, so me I go see if them are gonna be tempted and jump in there and then close.
Yes sir, go ahead, come on my little mommy.
That's the last day, I guess.
Oh, we must take out most of them from this Gabi. Are you gonna stay? If you take them out?
Oh, sorry. Come down and something.
Okay.
Nobody now.
Last day I could do some adventurous things, yeah. Jumping there and no clothes. And then I don't have to walk, go home. Taxi said no.
I think we're going to start the shopping today.
Alright. Wait. So, what we say? Today shopping? Okay.
The preparation, final preparations for home.
Yes, so may I come with you now, yeah.
Picture. There we are, go by me need a
Watch ya!
picture.
Lord, me know she couldn't hold out. Jesus! What this me? I'm going there too.
Come on. Jamaica, everything no problem.
Alright, you go on first.
And how you feel?
The water nice. Oh God. Chrissy, the water nice. Now tell me about just warm. Let me phone. And it's not rough.
And that is it, the last thing is the water so rough. And seaweed everywhere. Where we did there.
It's so nice, man.
Oh, that boat should have mine here. Hi guys, go in now. Come on, you can do it.
But you won't be ready.
Yeah, but me not going to do that to me. Me can't do that, me not going to. Well, we are going to wet up the good clothes.
So we did have some 24/7 over for we. Tomorrow I have my morning. We have to make sure things are done for them.
Maybe by the time we walk out, we go shop, we drive.
By the time we come, Mr. Chin.
We can take off the top and lift the bottom on.
Ah, look at that view. The Harmony Beach Park.
What better place to learn a language? Alright, Chris.
And how was it?
No man, the water nice, man.
I know I can feel it from your foot bottom.
So, you're gonna teach me a little German, Chris.
Ja, hallo, wie geht's?
In my throat.
Was? No swimming boat only?
No swimming beyond this point. Oh,
Guys, you do something illegal.
we never swim. We only swim up in the water.
Yeah, some people call that in the water and or your boat.
We never swim. Alright, ready. Okay, so Chrissy is going to teach me German, and what better place to learn a new language than in the nice, beautiful ocean. Oh my gosh! Woo!
No way! Yeah, man.
Alright, so
Come closer, mommy. Is somebody there far from you too? Okay, so continue, mommy. Your time for teach her 3 things.
Teach us some new words. Ich liebe dich.
ich liebe dich.
You know what that means?
No.
I love you.
Watch Chrissy! Jealous! Mommy now go out tomorrow. She'll stay with me. Woo, one more time. Oh my
Oh,
god.
that's an easy one. Don't. Ich
Yeah.
liebe dich.
Ich liebe dich. It's easy. Ich liebe dich. Ich liebe
And if you want to return the gesture, you just say ich liebe dich auch.
Ich liebe dich auch.
That word is hard. Ow.
Wir werden dich vermissen.
You have to go slower.
Wir werden dich vermissen.
Wir werden dich vermissen.
We miss you.
Wir werden dich vermissen. That's it.
Break it down, mommy.
Vermissen.
Break it down slower.
Wir werden dich
Vermissen.
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 Vermissen. Wir werden dich vermissen. Vermissen.
Miss you.
I miss you too. Wir werden dich vermissen. Too? How do you say that?
Ich werde dich auch vermissen. Oder ich werde euch auch.
Oh, it's a different way. Okay. That sounds complicated.
You're thinking that this was a
Yeah,
2.
they have the das, while in English you only have the, like, you know, and
You could just say ish ow. Me
Dit
too.
und dat,
Oh,
ne?
ich auch. Okay. How do you say bye? Goodbye.
Tschüss.
Tschüss.
Ciao.
Wiedersehen.
And ciao. Oh, yes.
Ciao, Servus.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Wiedersehen.
That's the
Okay.
harder one.
But
Ciao.
tschüss is, I
And
think
ciao
the
is
most
easy.
common one is tschüss.
Tschüss.
Cheese. Cheese.
Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Tschüss. Like you're saying kisses? Tschüss.
Choose. Like TSCH. Choose.
T.
SCHUSS.
Choose. Oh, choose.
Mm-hmm.
Choose.
Tschüss.
Okay.
Tschüss.
And
I
I'm
admire
sorry.
you and your videos and so on how you're all alone there in Japan and I think it's so cool.
Thank you. You're always so supportive. I'm just so happy. I'm
you
honored to
too.
actually meet you.
Kadian.
If nobody comments also, but you comment, that's good.
Wow. Look them on.
I could not really tomorrow.
Everything. Because I expect you to give me like, you know,
Alright, sorry.
come in a trouble phone. May I press up something in Gosh.
At least now you're gonna sound like a pro. We have to redo all of those reactions.
Where's there? Oh,
Alright,
see
ready?
there.
The film, mommy, is it red and counting?
It's moving up to 27 something.
Right. See, that's how it goes.
Yes, sun-kissed in Harmony Park, Montego Bay. So on Gabby and on Jamaican Experience channel, I learned some German words. So if you want to hear that, which is very hilarious and interesting, check out Jamaican Experience. The link will be in the description. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to their channel.
Yes, of
And
course.
so, of course, they're going to teach me some more German
Yes.
words and expressions. And Gabby has her favorite because girl are foodie, you know. So what the first one you have to teach me?
Yes, you want me to recap on that one? It says, Ich habe Hunger.
Ich habe Hunger. Bite my tongue, you know. No.
You must be very hungry then if you bite your tongue.
Okay, okay.
No. The German must make a bite the tongue.
Okay.
Ich habe Hunger.
Ich habe Hunger.
Ich habe Hunger.
Yes. Hunger.
Hunger. Ich habe Hunger.
Okay, so what else is very important?
Please.
Please. For please, we say bitter.
Bitte. Bitte.
Bitter. Like you're
bitter.
saying bitter, but you say bitter.
Bitte. Bitte.
Yeah.
Bitte. Ich habe Hunger. And when we say thanks now when we get the food.
When I get the food now, you say Dankeschön.
Dankeschön.
Thank you very much.
Dankeschön.
You can just say danke.
Danke.
When the food never tastes all that ingredients.
No, nobody put it shun.
No.
Gavia that you do when I should not put it shun funny, you know, say it would never all that.
No, sir. Danke is just like thanks.
Danke.
And then Dankeschön is like thank you very much.
Okay.
So I can keep it simple sometimes. What else you can teach you now?
Oh, me that ask you if Germans apologize a lot. So sorry,
Yes.
I'm sorry.
So I'm sorry is you can say Entschuldigung for
Entschuldigung.
sorry. Like if you want pass, somebody will say Entschuldigung.
Entschuldigung. Oh, like excuse me? Or,
Yeah.
Oh. So
Or
ensure upon the ground. Ensure upon the ground. Entschuldigung.
God make the world what a paradise. Make tree, make bird, all butterfly. Put moon in the sky like satellite. And make man rule as him of a mind. But the devil creeping with a bag of lies. Make Adam and Eve No, since that rain not a drop of light.
Nice.
Darkness and pain, oh what a sight. Man starts late, take another life. And fornicate with them brother wife. Man compromise with other guys. And to them demise, so them have a right. God's wrath start boil like a pot of rice. No man stop talk like Zachariah.
Yes. So you can say I am sorry means escort me a light.
Back up blow out.
Hi, make a job breeze
So like,
come.
excuse me a light. Oh, astute me a light.
S
Astute. Astute.
me
Me a
light.
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 D or T?
Like I say LID, but that's what you put
Light.
it.
Okay. Mia astute.
Escort me a light. I am sorry.
Astute me a light.
Yeah.
Rain pour down for a lot of nights. No many start drown what a loss of life. But those aboard the ark were saved and live to see another day.
Nice.
God's word will lead us in the way. It's right and wrong, you clearly state. Cross culture, Christ to the world, yeah, you know?
Yeah, that's lovely.
Yeah, that's a nice song.
Nice.
Yeah. We can also say Entschuldigung. But if you say that, I am sorry. So now, mommy.
Danke.
Hunger.
Hunger.
Yeah, we are talking about it.
Are you sure that's the words again? Oh, correctly. This is the night side of Mobay. The camera not do it justice though. You can't see the water. Just a little bit. Margarita.
You can always wait and finish. Okay.
Oh, what happened? One. Oh. So they now go in. And they feel cool, poultry and smoke. Top taxi anyway. Jamaica this. No problem, man.
You know, since me here, I not stop at taxi.
All they do is take out the road and they crush you.
Yeah, but you know the feeling.
Yeah, man, if we're over here, so we see one taxi, we can find it down, you know. Jump in.
They're the feds. They're the feds are. No problem. Come in, mama. Oh, yeah.
Go back downtown now. You don't do what you do. Down there, so crazy.
Okay.
Yes, no money, so no money.
No, how you gonna pay driver car?
Machine,
No,
nowhere
you
you
gonna
can
pay
get
driver
money.
car, no money, you know.
Locked down. I'm sorry.
No money no there.
Yeah.
No money no there.
Okay.
Wanna buy?
Okay. We're not buying no.
Oh, chop up. Oh. You never know if they chop up a chicken back. Yeah, buy chop up.
Sorry.
Yeah, try.
Come, let's go.
No look tired.
Time to go home now. I'm gonna try one last time at that bank.
Alright, let's go. Cause they tell me that Jamaica them now work. At first I drink eggnog from you come to Jamaica? Oh,
But me obsessed with it.
nice man.
Nice, brother. You good?
Sorry, come on, tell you.
Only one time you get peanut powder.
Fun, festive. Wanna band? Not really. Wanna band?
Not true.
Escabeche.
If you want some,
I'm gonna try the escabeche. How many you need? 3. Little bit of rice. Hold on, can you eat the rest of it? The man I play the music like say a dance hall. Some sharp square. I'm not maintain the place. Right now I just sell people are selling me or whatever. Man I play the man only in Jamaica to rotted. We're handing over the book, One Big Irie Family to Jamaican Experience. Thank you. But this don't look cute.
You want a better one? Very better.
Oi!
Take a picture. That supermarket.
That supermarket. We have to just go. We have to do. I hope you guys enjoy it and have a safe journey. Alright. Make my way. Safe flight, guys. Yes, we're true family members. One big Irie family. So, Chrissy, we're gonna break it to you that mommy's not coming back with you tomorrow.
No
I'm
problem.
sorry.
Me not come back either. I'm staying as well.
Chrissy, move your figure. So, we were waiting for this moment to let you know that she's not coming back.
Yeah, sorry guys. We're staying for good.
Goodbye, my co-workers. Goodbye, Hooperland House.
See y'all next
I
lifetime.
hear Chrissy, she know, but she now go back in.
I quit.
This is the resignation letter.
What a way to end the video. Well, thank
Touching
you so
way.
much.
Thank you too. It was so nice to finally get to see
yes,
my
of
Japanese
course.
girl. Just send my pay down here.
Ciao.
And in Japanese, you would say sayonara.
Senada.
Sayonara.